What's up everyone? I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to use TikTok parental controls to make TikTok safe for kids. While TikTok can be a great creative outlet for kids, there's a lot of content on that platform that they have no business looking at and a lot of questionable people you probably don't want them interacting with. Thankfully, TikTok has a family pairing feature that lets you link your child's TikTok account to your TikTok account and let you apply a variety of parental control settings to make TikTok safer for your kids. You'll be able to set how much time your child can spend on TikTok each day, turn on a restricted mode that filters out some inappropriate content, restrict who can comment on your child's videos or message your child on TikTok, and more. But before we get into the steps to use TikTok parental controls to make TikTok safe for kids, I want to let you know that Amazon Renewed gives you great deals on like-new, refurbished products from popular brands in top categories. You can find deals from Apple and Samsung for tablets and smartphones, DeWalt and Ryobi for tools, Microsoft and Sony for gaming equipment, JBL and Ultimate Ears for portable speakers, and so much more. I'll put a link to the Amazon Renewed site and my favorite Amazon Renewed categories in this video's description and pinned comment. Now let's walk through the steps to use TikTok parental controls to make TikTok safe for kids. Step 1. First, you'll need to have your child create a TikTok account on their device. I won't cover those steps here, but after you create their account on that device, move ahead to Step 2. Step 2. Open the TikTok app on your smart device or the device of the parent or guardian you want to have access to the parental controls to control your child's TikTok account. Step 3. Tap the icon featuring 3 horizontal lines at the top of the screen to open the Settings and Privacy menu. Step 4. Scroll down to the Content and Activity section and then tap Family Pairing in this section. The Keeping TikTok family-friendly screen is displayed, showing you how you'll be able to control your child's TikTok settings so they'll have a safer experience on TikTok. Step 5. Tap Continue to move forward. The family pairing screen is shown. Step 6. Tap to select Parent and then tap Next. A Link Account screen is displayed. Step 7. Keep the Link Account screen open on your smart device and then open the TikTok app on your child's device. To be clear, we'll be using your child's device for the next few following steps. Step 8. Tap the menu icon at the top of the screen to land on the Settings and Privacy screen on your child's device, and then scroll down to the Content and Activity section and tap Family Pairing. The Keeping TikTok family-friendly screen is displayed. Step 9. Tap Continue on this screen. The family pairing screen is shown. Step 10. Tap to select Teen and then tap Next. A screen prompting you to scan the QR code displayed in the screen on the TikTok app of the parent or guardian is shown. Step 11. Scan the QR code displayed in the screen on the TikTok app of the parent or guardian. A prompt is displayed asking if you want to link your child's TikTok account to your TikTok account. Step 12. Tap Link Accounts. A dialog box is displayed confirming that you want to link these accounts. Tap Link. The family pairing screen is displayed on your child's device. Now, let's go back to looking at the TikTok app on your parent or guardian device, where you'll now see your child's account listed in your linked TikTok accounts. Step 13. Tap the name of your child's TikTok account on your screen to see parental control options. The Manage This Account screen is shown. Step 14. Tap Screen Time Management to bring up a screen where you can set a screen time limit for how much time your child can spend on TikTok each day. Step 15. Tap Restricted Mode to see the option to turn on Restricted Mode, which will limit showing inappropriate content. Additionally, while Restricted Mode is turned on, your child won't be able to switch to use a different TikTok account. Step 16. Tap Search to bring up a screen where you can toggle off your child's ability to search TikTok. Step 17. Tap Privacy and Safety to see a screen where you can make your child's account private, choose whether your child's account is suggested to other users, control who can send direct messages to your child, choose who can see your child's liked videos, and control who can comment on your child's TikTok videos. If you need to make changes going forward, you can navigate back to the family pairing screen and tap your child's account at any time. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.